Hello, I am 𝗟𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗁 and today we will explore the Elders Market Thermometer. Let's dive into its functionality and how to use the custom version of this indicator with LightningChart JS Trader. Dr. Alexander Elder developed this indicator to simplify volatility analysis. It measures the range between a day's high and low prices, helping traders identify trends and manage risks effectively. The Elders Market Thermometer uses a simple but powerful formula, measuring the daily range of a security to gauge volatility, while the custom version in LightningChart JS Trader adds an extra layer by comparing today's highs and lows to historical data. This dual histogram approach highlights bullish and bearish movements, helping traders quickly interpret market conditions. High thermometer values signal increased market activity, often leading to breakouts, while low values indicate consolidation, offering traders time to strategize. The Elders Market Thermometer offers simplicity and versatility. Its custom features in LightningChart JS Trader lets you tailor it to your trading style. Understanding market volatility is crucial for successful trading. Try the Elders Market Thermometer today with LightningChart JS Trader for advanced real-time insights.